911, what's the address of your emergency?
Kentwood Apartments. We just had a guy put hands on my girlfriend. His name is David Molina. He's carrying a gun.
Hold on 1 second. You're at Kentwood Apartments 551 or 550 River Glen?
551 is what? 550.
550 River Glen. What apartment are you guys in?
We were not in front of her apartment. We weren't.
Where did this happen at?
It happened on the corner of Saskell and River Glen.
Saskell and River Glen. Okay, are you guys in the apartment now?
We are walking down River Glen. Yes.
Okay, where is he? Is he still there?
He went around the corner towards Saskell. But he has a gun in his waist.
Okay, did he take it out at any time?
No, but he showed it.
Okay, so he didn't show it. He said he had it?
Yeah.
Okay, but did you see it?
It's a revolver.
Okay, you saw it though?
Yes.
Okay, did he show it to you?
Yes, I saw the handle of it.
Okay. So he lifted up his shirt and showed you, or did he take it out, or what?
Yes.
Okay.
He lifted up his shirt, and my girlfriend's literally scared right now. I'm holding myself back from going after him.
What's his name?
To be honest with you.
What'd you say his name was?
David Molina.
Okay. And where is he now? Which way did he walk off?
He walked towards Saskell. He's probably on Saskell going towards Walmart.
Okay. All right. And what does he look like? White, black, Hispanic, Asian?
He's Hispanic. He's really skinny. He's on a long skateboard.
Okay. What's he wearing?
A black hoodie and dark blue jeans.
All right. And then hold on 1 second. Okay. Do you know how old he is or what his date of birth is?
I honestly don't really know the guy. Okay. My girlfriend's literally scared shitless right now.
Okay. All right. And do you know about how tall he is?
He's about 6'3".
About how tall?
6'3".
Okay. Okay. Where are you guys now?
We are on River Glen.
You're
right
still
in between the two. Right down the street from where it happened.
Okay, but are you guys on the premise of Kentwood Apartments?
Yes.
Okay. We do have an officer that's going to be coming in the area to contact you guys, okay? If you see him, I just want you to let me know so you can flag him down, okay?
Okay.
What's your name?
Matt.
And your last name, Matt?
Proctor, as in Procter & Gamble.
Okay. And what's your girlfriend's name?
Her name is Jessica.
Okay. What's her last name?
Davis.
Okay. And does she live at Kentwood Apartments?
Yes.
Right. All right. What apartment does she live in?
We are not at her apartment.
Okay, that's fine. Do you not want to give me her apartment number? Okay, that's fine. What did he do exactly? You said he put hands on your girlfriend, but what kind? Did he hit her?
He put hands on her, telling her to get out of his way.
So he was pushing. Her.
We were just taught.
I just need to know what you mean by put hands. So he was pushing her. He shoved her. He hit her. What was that?
He pushed her out of the way, nearly knocking me down.
Okay.
I'm not small.
Okay. So he pushed her into you and it almost knocked you down?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to go ahead and have them contact you as soon as we can, okay? Are you guys going to stay where you're at? You guys are in between the two buildings of the apartment complex?
Yeah, we're kind of by the office.
Okay, got it. Okay, I will go ahead and let them know, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Hey man, what's your name? Keep your hands up. Hey, keep your hands up. Come here. Stop.
What are you talking
Stop.
about? What are you talking about, bro?
Put your hands up.
Why, dude?
Put your hands up.
What did
Someone
I do?
said you have a gun. Put your hand up.
Tripping, bro.
Put your hands
Don't
up.
point that shit at me, dude.
Put your hands up.
Don't point that shit at me,
Put
dude.
your hands up.
Fuck me, bro.
Show me your hands.
Fuck you, dude.
Don't reach into your pockets. Show me your hands. Turn around. Get on the ground.
You got me fucked
Get on the ground now.
fucked up, dude.
Get on the ground.
Get away from me, dude.
Get on the ground.
Get the fuck away from me.
Napa, start units, code 3. Hey, put your hands up. Show me your fucking hands. Napa's D2, flip soup. Fucking hands now.
Fuck off.
Going eastbound through the apartment complex. White male. Black hat, plaid sweatshirt. Cutting towards the river trail. Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Keep your hands up. Keep them up where I can see them.
For real, dude?
For real. Keep them up where I can see them. Turn around.
Fuck you.
Then keep your hands up. We're on the trail. One uncooperative. Headed east. About to pop out in the apartment complex.
ahead, bro.
Go. Do you have a gun or not?
No, dude.
Then put your hands up. Just put them up.
Who the fuck told you what, dude?
Put them right behind your back. Right here. Keep your hands up.
Are you for real, bro? Oh, you're a stupid fuck, dude. Why are you gonna do that?
Stop.
Alright. Well, why the fuck?
Stop.
Shut your fucking mouth, dude.
Keep your hands up.
You're a bitch. You don't want to shuffle, homie.
Then put your hand behind your back.
Shut your fucking mouth.
You're...
Let me go.
Put your hand behind your back. Now. Alright?
What? What?
Just gonna
For what?
detain you.
For what?
Gonna detain you for behind. Fuck it. You mother. What are you doing? Napa Z2, shots fired, subject down.